Hi, I'm Brianna with SwitchWeld, and today we're going to be talking about how to turn on and power down your SwitchWeld. Let's get started. First, begin by turning on the welding power supply. Once your welding power supply is on, a standby light should come on your Cobot controller. Once that's on, you can go ahead and hold down the power button on the Abo Teach pendant, and that will turn on the software. To turn off the Cobot, begin by pressing the power button at the bottom left of the screen. Then double tap the shutdown button. This will turn off the software. Please note that when you're turning off the software, do not hit the blue power button at the top of the Teach pendant. You need to go through the proper steps to close the software, as taught in this video. Finally, turn off the welding power supply. That's the steps to turn on and turn off your SwitchWeld. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or check out our website, SwitchWeld.com. Thanks for watching.